Trading and Investing in Cryptocurrencies, a Beginner's Guide. Are you fascinated by Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the world of digital assets? Want to learn how to navigate the exciting yet sometimes volatile world of cryptocurrency trading and investing? Then you're in the right place. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized technology called blockchain. This makes them resistant to censorship and single points of failure. Trading involves short-term strategies to profit from price fluctuations. Investing, on the other hand, focuses on long-term growth potential. Understanding this difference is crucial before you put any money in. The first step is choosing a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Consider factors like security, fees, supported cryptocurrencies, and user-friendliness. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Once you've chosen an exchange, you'll need to create an account and complete the verification process. This usually involves providing personal information and uploading identification documents. Security is paramount, so enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added protection. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating a cryptocurrency's underlying technology, team, use case, and market potential. Look at the white paper, community engagement, and real-world adoption. Is the project solving a real problem? For example, if you're looking at Ethereum, you'd analyze its smart contract capabilities and the number of decentralized applications, dApps, built on its platform. A strong foundation suggests long-term viability. Technical analysis uses price charts and indicators to identify patterns and predict future price movements. Common indicators include moving averages, RSI, Relative Strength Index, and MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Remember, technical analysis is not foolproof. It's a tool to help you make informed decisions, but it's not a crystal ball. Combine it with fundamental analysis for a more comprehensive approach. Cryptocurrency investing is inherently risky. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio across different cryptocurrencies to mitigate risk. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses on your trades. Take profits regularly to secure your gains. Avoid emotional trading and stick to your predefined strategy. At Intelligent Cryptocurrency, we provide in-depth research, analysis, and educational resources to help you navigate the crypto market with confidence. We offer exclusive insights, expert opinions, and a supportive community to guide you on your journey. We believe that informed decisions are the key to success in the world of cryptocurrencies. Our platform is designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to thrive. Ready to take your cryptocurrency journey to the next level? Visit Intelligent Cryptocurrency today to access our premium research, exclusive content, and vibrant community. Sign up for our free newsletter to receive weekly market updates and expert insights directly to your inbox. Don't miss out on this opportunity to gain a competitive edge in the exciting world of crypto. Click the link in the description below to get started and unlock your crypto potential with Intelligent Cryptocurrency.